Hi, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro, and I've been a fellow cleaner since 1985. If you're using a rotary or an OP machine or a Cymex and you need more scrubbing power, then you want to take a look at Revive encapsulation pads. I have them in two forms, a full hog's hair pad. Now these are premium, they're an inch thick, they're not 3/4 of an inch thick like a lot of the competitors' products, so they'll last longer and they'll support the weight and stress of the machine better than the skinnier pads will. And we also have the aqua colored Revive pad. Now I don't know if you can see this on the video, but this is impregnated also with hog's hair. So you get a great shearing and scrubbing action from these products that the softer Bonnet cannot give you. And we even make one that fits into the multi-brush, so you get the benefit of bristles penetrating and scrubbing and giving their pile lifting effect with the shearing action of the fiber pad installed inside of the bristles inside of the brush. Good job. So if you need, like I said, to increase your cleaning performance, you want to look at these Revive encapsulation pads. They will last several thousand feet each. They're disposable, so there's no laundering, and this will do the scrubbing that the Bonnet can't do by itself. They're not always a standalone product. We like to see them supported with Bonnet cleaning, but when you have aggressive traffic lanes or areas at an elevator or entrances into a commercial building or whatnot, this will give you the extra scrubbing power that the Bonnet won't be able to do by itself. You can read more about Revive encapsulation pads at bonnetpro.com. Thanks for watching.